Hey y'all! So y'all never said if y'all wanted a cleaning video or not, but I done cleaned the whole house yesterday. The only thing I didn't finish cleaning was this glass and the glass tables in the living room. So I'm just gonna do a little quick video. We noticed that this works best for our glass. We tried everything, Windex, we tried the Lysol, all different kinds, but this one is really good. So this is one I'm gonna be using, paper towels, and this will be my first time doing a little cleaning video, and we'll see how this one goes, and I'll see if I can do a full one. But it's work, cleaning the whole house and filming. So, and I work in sections anyway, and plus I'm still under the weather, but I feel much better, y'all. From the stuff I got from Walmart, and I got some clearance, and I woke up with a really itchy throat today. And y'all see me with the same outfit is because I'm gonna be filming today. I'm doing the collab video today. This works really good. Spray a little more. Okay, because I do not want to drip on the hardwood floors that I just shined yesterday. And pay no mind to this bow. I just knew it matched, but it doesn't match. Mini bow is throwing it off. It's a little shaky. Then it's glass at the bottom. Y'all won't really see me getting at the bottom, but gotta get at the bottom, get the glass. Let me know if y'all want to see the whole stool. Well, I'm gonna sit in the chair so y'all can kind of see. Y'all won't see me getting at the bottom, though. Y'all won't see the glass. Y'all see me, but y'all see the glass at the bottom. I have a haul on my mouth. This is a big haul, and it works wonder. It's a soothing, cool haul. I got in my Bath and Body Works the Peace Love. Well, that is called Peace something. I just used it for the first time today, opened it today. Because I have all these lotions. I'm not even using all. You can use with so much, but now I'm going to try to use at least a different kind of day. Because I was using the same kind. I've been using 1,000 Wishes lately. And what's that other one? The panty dropper. What's the panty dropper one? Can't even think of it. Blaze, what's the panty dropper one? Because you know. Because I can't think of it. But I've been using the panty dropper one and the drop them drawers. And 1,000 Wishes. I hope my booty not in your face. Oh, it's not. A lot of glass to clean. Make sure I get this front clean. It's shiny, y'all. It's shiny. I should have just put music. It probably would have been soothing. And then I'll show y'all this goes in the middle. We need to find something to put in the middle, some flowers or something, but it'll have to be fake flowers because the water will come right through. Have to be something fake. Then we have our, one is tequila and one is bourbon. This one is the tequila. And I'm gonna just spray the paper towel and wipe off the bottle. But this is mainly for show because sometimes people drink it though. We'll offer it and they'll drink it. It was really not bad because I just wiped this off. Now, let me move this shit off the one. Here's the other one. Try not to hit the darn camera. This is the bourbon, or it's some kind of whiskey. Bourbon or something. Don't get me wrong. But the tequila, you can see, is lighter. And that tequila is from Mexico. From, I believe, Cozumel. If it was a Cozumel, it was one of the Mexico trips I went on. Because I always bring back something, a bottle of something. Now, I should have cleaned the mirror before I put that back up. You know, backwards. I'm going backwards, y'all. Working backwards. Working backwards. Well, see how short I am. Oh, the tissue. Got stuck. Tell me where I missed the spot, y'all. It's like, don't tell me. I'm like, don't tell me where I missed the spot. It's like, let me know where I missed the spot at. I'm gonna go back over it, but let me know. With my booty all in your face. Let me know if this is satisfying, because it's so therapeutic and satisfying when I'm watching people clean. It makes me want to get up and clean, even if the house is already clean. It just makes you want to clean. Then I'm going to show y'all how I do the living room. Whew. My little short arm's getting tired, y'all. I know I'm short. Gotta get on my tippy toes. Whew. And with anything else that y'all see, it's probably not dirt, it's probably little, you know how you get a little paint or stuff on your mirror that's going to require something to take it off, but it probably won't even come off. Oop, see? I'm bumping into stuff. Let me stand back and see how it looks. Looks good to me. Whatever's not, I'll do it off camera. So I'm gonna show you all the living room.
mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working